Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable responsive behavior in Adobe Experience Manager Sites step by step clearly. To enable responsive behavior in Adobe Experience Manager Sites, begin by logging into your AEM instance. Access the AEM Sites console. Navigate to the project or site where you want to enable responsive behavior. Open the specific page you wish to edit. Click on the Edit button to enter the page editing mode. In the page editor, locate the components you want to be responsive. Select a component to open its configuration. Look for the responsive settings within the component's properties. Enable the responsive features by checking the appropriate boxes. Adjust any additional settings related to the component's behavior on different screen sizes. Repeat the process for each component that requires responsive adjustments. Next, navigate to the Design mode from the top toolbar. In Design mode, you can set global responsive settings for your templates. Open the template you wish to configure. Select the Responsive tab within the template properties. Adjust breakpoint settings to define how your content appears on various devices. Test your configurations on different screen sizes using the preview options. Once satisfied with the adjustments, save your changes. Publish your page to make the responsive features live. Finally, conduct a thorough test on multiple devices to ensure everything displays correctly. With these steps, you have successfully enabled responsive behavior in Adobe Experience Manager Sites. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.